Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated and HP drivers are installed. This avoids driver conflicts. Once done, clean the Fingerprint pad and sign into an administrator account so you can change security settings. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign in Options. In that pane, locate Windows Hello Fingerprint. This first actionable step opens the enrollment workflow. Make sure the device is detected before you proceed to registering your fingerprint. Next, enroll your fingerprint by selecting Setup under Windows Hello Fingerprint and follow the on-screen prompts. The wizard guides you through scans. Place your finger on the sensor with varied angles and pressures so Windows captures different ridge patterns. You'll see a progress bar as it learns the print. Once one finger reaches completion, add at least one backup finger to ensure access if your primary finger is injured. This middle stage builds a reliable template the system uses to authenticate you quickly. Finally, lock the screen and test sign-in with your enrolled finger to confirm success. This validates the template. If it fails, make sure the fingerprint driver is current, restart the laptop, and re-enroll the finger. Sometimes re-registration fixes low-quality templates. Also verify Windows Hello biometric settings aren't blocked by group policy or antivirus. If problems persist, use your PIN or password fallback. Recalibrate the sensor with gentle cleaning, and contact HP support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.